Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. It is lecture number 33 of Basic Statistics course. Dear students, do you know number 1 which test is used to test the significance of each individual regression coefficient beta I? Which test is used to test the significance of rho is equal to 0? What are the degrees of freedom used to test the significance of slope in simple regression model? What are the assumptions of simple regression model? What is the definition of the error term? In the multiple regression model, what is the order of the error term when we have n samples and k independent variables? Dear statisticians, do you know in the multiple regression model which is the best criterion for judging the total overall validity of the model? Do you know in the general linear model what is the distribution of the response variable? Do you know what does the total sum of square describe in the regression model? These are and many more important concepts should be discussed, will be discussed in today's important lecture. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the new important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is the T statistic or T ratio is used. Number 1A, to test the statistical significance of overall regression model. No, incorrect. B, is close to 0. T statistic or T ratio is close to 0 when the regression model is statistically significant. Incorrect. C, is used to test to see if an additional variable which has not been observed should be included in the regression model. No. D, T ratio is used to test the statistical significance of each beta I. Yes, that is the correct one. D option. Question number 2. If the F ratio is statistically significant, then A, all the T ratios will be statistically significant. Incorrect. B, the multiple regression model should not be used to predict for Y. Incorrect. C, generally all the T ratios will be statistically significant. Incorrect. Option D is some of the T ratios will be statistically significant. Yes, that is the correct one. Question number 3. The least square estimate of sigma square in linear model is A, error sum of squares. B, total variance of observations. No, incorrect. C, error mean square. Yes, that is the correct one. Mean square error will be the correct option. Question number 4. In a multiple linear regression, which of the following would be the best criterion for judging the overall validity of the model? A, sum of square of regression SSR divided by SST greater than SSE over SST. That is the incorrect one. B is adjusted R square greater than 0.8. Incorrect. C1 is R square greater than 0.8. D option is the p value associated with the F test is less than 0.05. That is the correct option in the exam. A very important one, which is the best criterion for judging the total overall validity of the model when we have that p is less than 0.05. Question number 5. A measure of goodness of fit for the estimated regression equation is A, mean square due to regression. Incorrect. B, mean square due to error. Incorrect. C, regression coefficient. Incorrect. D, multiple coefficient of determination. That is the correct option. A very important question. Question number 6. What does the total sum of squares in the regression analysis describes? A. Unexplained variation in the response variable, incorrect. Explained variability in the response variable, dependent variable, incorrect. C. Total variability in the independent variable, incorrect. D. Total variability in the response variable. Yes, total sum of squares describes that the total variability in the response in the dependent variable. D is the correct option in the exam. Question number 7. Simple linear regression has a number of sample data assumptions. What are they? A option, linearity, independence, normality, unequal variance. It is incorrect one. B, linearity, independence, non-normality, equal variance, incorrect. C, linearity, independence, normality, unequal variance is incorrect. What is the D option? Assumptions of simple linear regression model. First one is linearity, independence, normality, equal variance. That is the correct option in the exam. Question number 8. In a multiple regression model, y is equal to x beta plus error term with n samples and k independent variables. The order of error term is a n cross k, n by k, incorrect. N by k. B option is 1 by n, incorrect. C, k by n, incorrect. D option is n by 1. That is the correct option in the exam. The order of the error term in the multiple regression model, when we have n samples and k independent variables, the degree of freedom, the order of the error term is n by 1, n rows and 1 column. A very important question for all the papers of statistics. Question number 9. In a generalized linear model, the distribution of the response variable, A must be normal, incorrect. B must be discrete, incorrect. C need not to be from exponential family, incorrect. D must be from exponential family. That is the correct option. Question number 10. Which of the following methods can be used to assess goodness of fit in the logistic regression framework? A. The Hosmer and Lemshow measure of overall fit. B. Nagelkerk R square. C. Classification accuracy, which is also called hit ratio. D. All of the above. All of the above will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 11. In the generalized linear model for fitting binary data, the natural parameter is A option pi, B pi into 1 minus pi, C log pi, D option is log pi over 1 minus pi. That is the correct option in the exam. Question number 12. For testing the hypothesis rho is equal to 0, which test statistic is used? A. F test, incorrect. Z test, incorrect. Chi-square, incorrect. T test is the correct option. It is used to test the significance of rho is equal to 0. A very important question. Question number 13. What are the degrees of freedom used to test the significance of slope regression coefficient in a simple linear regression equation? A. n minus 1, B. n minus 2, C. n minus 1 and n minus 2, D. n minus 1 into n minus 2. Dear students, n minus 2 is the correct option in the exam. That is the degree of freedom when we test the significance of the slope in the simple linear regression model. Question number 14. A measure of linear association of a variable with a number of other variables is known as A. Partial correlation, B. Autocorrelation, C. Simple correlation, D. Multiple correlation is the correct option. A very important one. Question number 15. The residual is defined as the difference between A. the actual value of x and the estimated value of x, incorrect. B. the actual value of y and the estimated value of x, incorrect. C. the actual value of x and the estimated value of y, incorrect. D. the actual value of y and the estimated value of y. E is equal to y minus y cap, the difference between the actual value of y and the estimated value of y. That will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 16. regression equations are obtained by using a minimum chi-square method, incorrect. B, product movement method, incorrect. C, concurrent deviation method, incorrect. D, least square method. That is the correct option in the exam. Question number 17, which is the last question of today's lecture. Least square theory was propounded by whom and in which year? A, Markov in 1900, incorrect. B, Fisher in 1920, incorrect. C, Gauss in 1809. That is the correct option in the exam. D is none of the above. Dear students, you must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.